Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to cancel Designrr subscription. So guys, to cancel, follow the steps. The process is easy. Click the first link, this one, as you can see here. After that, guys, write your email address and write your email, then enter your purchase email, and purchase email, that will be the email in the top right corner and of your dashboard, as you can see here. This is your email you want to choose, guys. And after that, what you have to do, guys, system send your email with access link. The system then send you email, and then click your provided email, as you can see here on the screen. Click the subscription on this option. After that, guys, click on the subscription, your subscription here, as you can see here. Click view on subscription, and after that, what you have to do, guys, just scroll down and click this option, as you can see here. Click cancel subscription, and you will subscription be cancelled successfully without any problem. So this is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.